For me, it's actually a great event to host for manufacturing leaders. It provides an opportunity for all the leading minds in the industry to share best learnings and practices. I think that's the one real big value, because it's very rare to get so many manufacturing leaders in one room and with all the insights and across all sectors. It's really a fantastic opportunity, and hopefully it's going to come back next year. And I think the other thing for me that I found really enlightening was the issue of, they're equipping us with tools, really getting us ready for the future and what do we need to be able to take our businesses forward. Because once you're back in the line of work, you actually don't have an opportunity to go and read or partner, and this gives us an opportunity to sort of just get in for that one day, deep in what's coming up, what are the risks, what are the opportunities, so that we can go back and make sure that our sites and our manufacturing site units are future ready. A multi-skilled workforce. I think a multi-skilled workforce gives you the flexibility to be able to swing between lines and activities without really running the risk of people being idle and underutilized. The second other opportunity is, I think for me, is digital twinning combined with AI. It just gives us so much opportunity for the twin to learn on what the actual equipment is, thus being able to give us the power to predict processes, to predict failures before they come through. And things like virtual commissioning become possible of that, and the amount of time that it takes away from the operations. And when I go to operations, I'm actually ready for the operations. I've taken out all the defects and the problems that I would have otherwise, it would have cost me on the real space in the factory. I think the critical element, the critical lever that we have is our workforce. So it's about empowering the front line. I think the days of the leader having all the answers are gone. So all our improvements need to be driven from the shop floor. So it has to be a bottoms-up approach. We have to be frontline led. Let's equip our shop floor with the why we're asking them to do certain things. That will be the power that we do. And also I think manufacturing excellence in its nature takes away the variability of human factor, of habits. It just provides a system and a process. And if we drive a culture of discipline, with that we are bound to optimize efficiency and consistency.